Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to receive USDT to a TRC20 address on the Binance exchange. For that, first you need to open the Binance exchange. Then you will see an interface like this. First, you need to click on Asset here, then click on Add Fund. Then you have to click on On-Chain Deposit. Then you have to click on USDT here. Then here you can see the TRC20 network. You have to select it. If the TRC20 network pop-up does not show, then you can select the TRC20 network by clicking here. Then you will see an address here, which you can click to copy and where you wish using that address. I will show an example by transferring from BitGet. For that, I will copy the address. Then I will go into BitGet. After opening BitGet, you will see an interface like this. Then go to the exchange where your funds are. Next, click on Assets and then click on Withdraw. Then here, select USDT. Then you will paste the address you copied here. Then click here and select the network TRC20. So you can see here that the TRC20 network is available. Select that. Then you will enter the amount you want to transfer here. Then click the Withdraw button. Then an OTP will be sent to the email linked with the BitGet exchange. Use that OTP to confirm. That way the transfer from BitGet to Binance will be completed. So in that way, you can deposit USDT into Binance from any exchange or any wallet using the TRC20 network. If you like our video, please like it and subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this.